you just write it's nighttime? No. So we'll try that again so we don't fall off. Did Tia write it's nighttime? Yes or no? No. So, now, Tia, you put right here the opposite. And it's right here. And so if you don't have, she put opposite. Why else is it nighttime? So she said the opposite from the sun. What else could you have said? Sydney, go.
So the sun rays are going down to the North Pole, and the sun rays are directly above.
Is it facing towards or away? For night. Is it for? So I want you, if you guys don't have on your paper, opposite or facing away, add it to your paper. If you do have something like opposite, like Tia has, then you can give yourself a smiley face. All right, so go ahead and flip your paper. Stuart has that lesson driving question at the top. Get there in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Valor's even help me out so that we're all there. Thank you. Okay, read that lesson driving question for me, Shalon Roxanne. I couldn't hear anything you said. Go ahead. All right, so why is there day and night? Now, we've been looking at why there's day and night the last couple of days. Today, though, we're going to be looking at it with some text evidence. I know, everyone's favorite. But we're going to be looking today, it's actually some cool articles. You can see there's a picture, like from space in the front, like there's some pretty cool images and models throughout. And we're going to pause a lot, so it's not like going to be too long of constant reading. But we're going to be gaining evidence today from this text. So, look at the next slide. All right, so for each, right now it's not loading to present it, but you guys have questions on this page. You can go ahead and after sit, I'll help you get a pencil in a couple seconds, okay? On this page you have 7 questions, front and back. 7 questions. Now, as you're reading, we're going to divide it up. There's 4 sections of your reading. How do you remember how many sections go? 4. Thank you. All right, back to 3, 2, 1. We're going to start at section 1. And all I want you to do is answer questions 1 through 3. And I'll present it so it's bigger, but I have up here the questions that you're going to be answering. And let me back it up. So section 1 in this book, go ahead and flip to that first page where it says 1, Earth spins on its axis, and I should see everyone with this book open to 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you, Valerie. You can bow our time at this point. I can't give us a letter because you weren't all there. Adam, stop. Okay, so just this page is section 1. It's only like a paragraph. Okay, so I'm not asking you to read too much. We're going to read this first page, and we're going to first annotate. What do you think I'm going to ask you to do for everything you underline? Tell your partner to. All right, back to me. 3, 2, 1. Sophia, what are you going to do? Hey, where?
Like next to your jaw.
Yeah, in the margin on the bottom where there's space. Okay? Secondly, I want you to write a central idea for every section. Okay? Now, the reason we're doing this, 1, so you can work on central idea, but kind of to tie this into ELA a little bit, yesterday, you guys had to write a central idea, and I stayed late with Ms. Davidson, and she said a lot of you were writing theme instead of central idea. So we can practice it again in here for identifying the central idea of the article. So I want you in the space to write a central idea for each section. Okay? Not much, 1 sentence. Lastly, you'll answer the questions. For section 1, it's just questions 1 through 3. I'm going to pause after 6 minutes. We'll go over these 3 questions. But right now, you're reading section 1, annotating, writing your central idea, answering questions 1 through 3. Ready to go. Looking for people who are underlining and writing their job. You're fine. You're fine. Or. What is it? be right back. Getting back in the sun, I'll be right back. Please get rows of kind of swing in the back. I love that Tia already has some underlining, and right now, as I'm next to her, she's adding her jot in the margin, which is exactly what I asked. But I actually have one thing, and I forgot to say this. If you finish section 1 early, so you're lightning fast, like Houston is over here, and he has great senses for his questions. For number 1, when you finish, right now the internet's not working, you're going to draw a model of the different positions of the sun and the sky. If you're finished at the bottom for section 1, draw a model for me. Right now, just see everyone underlining. I love that Dylan wrote sunrise equals east, helping her out. You can give her a determination point. You can give Sydney a determination point. She's drawing a model on the side, demonstrating what the sunrise looks like. It just depends on because it's been constant, different things look like my neck. Okay. Matthew, when I get to you, I should see 5 things underlined with the jot next to it. Other places you would see, it's not. It's just constant and chicken. As I walk around now, I should see people maybe finishing their underlining and starting to write their central idea next to the article. And so I'm looking and I'm checking off when I see your central idea. You did an awesome bubble, which I love. You did awesome questions. What's the one thing you're missing? Write it with your side. Then you do this okay. Go. Very good. As I'm walking around, I'm going to ask if you're working on the questions, stop working on the questions and add your central idea. I should not see you answer questions until you have a central idea on your paper. Be right there, Ariel.